I remember what you used to say, that things won't tumble down. But now we're here and finally it changed. We're not standing on.
Steps in using Quiz Creator. With Quiz Creator, you can easily make flash-based quizzes and surveys in minutes. Please follow this guide and enjoy your quiz creation. So, to create or to use Quiz Creator, open your Wondershare Quiz Creator. Then, to create questions, check the question types in Quiz Creator. So this time, we will be using Create a New Quiz. Since there are lots of question types, for creating a quiz, we will take multiple choice as the example to show you how to create a question for a quiz. So, how to create a multiple choice question? To create a multiple choice question, select multiple choice. Then, you can edit the question in the question editing window. With the powerful editing features, you can easily insert text, images, equation, hyperlinks, and edit fonts in the question in the text field. So you can edit your fonts here. And you can insert some hidden notes as the extra instruction for this question. Besides, Quiz Creator provides the media area for you to insert images, audio, and video files. So here is the media area. The inserted picture or video will be displayed next to the question in the published quiz. This time we will be raising our question. So suppose that is our question. And the next step would be entering the choices in the choices text field. So this is our choices text field. You can have as many or the maximum of 9 choices. So how to enter the choices? To enter the choices in the choices text field, so just type it here. So suppose this is our choices. After putting or placing all your choices, be sure to indicate the correct answer. So you can also insert images, equations, hyperlinks, and fonts editing in this choices field or choices text field. So we have now our choices and the correct response. You may also provide some interactive feedback to quiz takers when they answer the question. Select feedback type. So here is our feedback. Feedback type from the drop-down list in the feedback group. So we have here the none, by question, and by answer. So if you click none, there will be no feedback to the quiz takers after the answer is submitted. If you click by question, the feedback will be based on whether the question is answered correct or not. If by answer, the feedback will be based on the single choice of the answers. Quiz takers select different choices and get different feedback. So we will click the by question. After choosing the feedback type, you can now put in the feedback message for correct and incorrect choices in the question feedback pane. So if your students answer correctly your question, so you may have your feedback as you will edit this one. Then if incorrect, so that's it. To make it a decent test, there are some properties such as passing rate, points, time limit, and more that can be set to the question. So we will tackle one later. When you finish editing the question, you can click OK. So here is the OK button to save the question and close the question editing window. Also, you can click the new question button to save the current question and create another multiple choice question. This time, I will click the new question button to create another multiple choice question. So we have to enter another question. So suppose this is our question, then our choices would be, then be sure to indicate the correct answer. So as what I have said earlier, if you want to save your questions, just click OK. So we will be clicking OK now. Then our questions will be saved. After saving the questions, you can click the quiz properties. So here is the quiz properties. In quiz properties, you can see powerful and flexible settings including the instruction page, passing rate, font, and feedback, which you can set for the whole quiz. You can also randomize the question and make the quiz with protected password or domain hosting limit. So in quiz information, you can see the quiz title, the author, then in introduction, the display introduction page. You can also insert audio, media, and etc. So we will try to insert audio. So we will just pick one. Okay. So that's how to insert audio. Then in quiz settings, you can have your passing rate, time limit, the randomization, then answer submission. So we will enable time limit. Then go to options to have some settings. So end quiz after 10 minutes. We will decrease this one into 2 minutes since we have only 2 questions. And click OK. Then in quiz result, you have the feedback here. So we have feedback according to the result or despite the result. So when your user passes, you can have it as congratulations, you passed. But when your user fails, you can have it as sorry, you failed. Then you also have here the quiz statistics, then the finish button. Then in question settings, you can have the points in each question. So this time we will decrease this one into 2 points each. 2 points in every correct answer. You can also change the font if you want to. So we have here, for example, the Franklin graphic. Then the color, you can also have the color if you want ink. Then in answer font, you can also put one into Californian or Callisto, whatever you like. Then in others, you can have your password protection, then the domain limit, online access. So after editing all your after editing in your quiz properties, you can click OK. Then we can also have or open the player template. So there are plenty of delicate player templates included in this quiz maker. You can go to player template to choose an appropriate one that fits your quiz topic. There are also some popular player and color themes such as general, training, education, and fun for you to choose. So if you'd like to customize your own quiz player, many setting options such as the background. So here's the background, the toolbar, panel, highlight, the player size, round corners, ruled papers. Then you can also insert sound and text here. So all of these are available for you to create a personalized player. This time we will choose this template. So that's it. Then after choosing a player template that fits for your quiz, we can have it on preview to check if our quiz is correct. So next time. Okay. You can see so after reviewing your quiz, if the preview of the quiz is satisfied, we can now publish our quiz. So we will click publish here. Then, since there are 5 options on how to publish your quiz, just select one. So I will be choosing the web since I am going to upload this one to my Weebly account. So we can have our title, then the location. Be sure to remember the location of your quiz. Then click publish. Then that's it.